Welcome to Mega Makes, and today we're going to make this awesome matchstick rocket. It's reusable, so you can recharge it and use it over and over again. Right, let's get to it. So first of all, you need some aluminium foil. Not this sort, this is way too thin. We need this sort. This is a tray. So first of all, we need a credit card. We're going to draw around the credit card using a pen. And we're going to cut it out. Now you'll see I'm wearing gloves because these edges can be really sharp. So cut out your tray. You can cut it roughly, and then you can cut it accurately. Next, we're going to need some extra long matches. First of all, we're going to roll this piece of aluminium really tightly around this match, but the head of the match is still sticking out. The hardest part is getting it started. So you need to tuck your fingers along that edge. It can be very sharp, so be careful. Once you've got it started, you can then use your fingers and thumbs and roll tightly. Now we want this to be the same size as the head of the match, so this size here. So as soon as you feel like you've got it the size of the head of the match, then stop and cut that off. And this is going to be our reusable rolling tube. We can use this many times. Done. Now we need a piece of aluminium to make the rocket. Again, draw around the credit card. Cut out. Flatten. Check size. Now, use your rolling tube. Start rolling around your rolling tube. Make it tight. Push, roll. This tube slides in and out of this tube. Slide it out 2 centimeters. Take pliers. Squeeze. 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 Cut. Squeeze. Remove rolling tube. Now we need a small square. Flatten. Fold in half. Open. Take your rolling tube. Wrap tightly around your rolling tube. Cut. Cut. And now remove from your rolling tube. Open. Attach the tail fins to the rocket. Push. Push. Now your rocket needs fuel. Take a match. Remove the head. Load the head into the tube. I'm using one, but you could add more if you're launching outside and it's safe to do so. Take a match. Push the match into the end of the tube. Take a fork, not your best fork. Push the fork into the match. Load your rocket onto the fork, onto the match. Position on a non-combustible surface. Light match. Wait for ignition. Rockets can be used over and over again. Experiment with how many match heads you put inside. Experiment with sealing the end of the match with a bung. This will create more pressure in the tube, which results in further distance. Have fun, be safe, wear goggles, and don't set fire to anything.